COVID-19 vaccination clinics start tomorrow in Baldwin County, but the location has moved to OWA in Foley. That's where Debbie Williams is joining us live. So how will this one work, Debbie?
Well, it's going to be really interesting. It's going to be first come, first serve. You got to meet certain criteria, of course. It's going to start right here at the Foley Event Center. This is where everybody needs to come. And then they head over this way to Pride Drive. And that will take you to the parking lot on the north side of the OWA property. It's being filled now. That parking lot's being filled now with barricades and cones to help direct traffic. There will be 4 lanes of traffic there. One is for people looking for second doses, and then 3 others for first doses. The vaccines will be for those 75 and older, first responders, and healthcare workers. Now, that expanded group, like teachers, postal workers, grocery store workers, and 65 and older that Dr. Scott Harris mentioned last week, they will not be eligible until February 8th, next week, here in Baldwin County. The clinics will be held tomorrow, Thursday. Tomorrow and Thursday, starting at 9 o'clock. They hope to vaccinate about 1,000 people each day of those clinics. Cherish.
Okay, Debbie, so this clinic does not include that expanded group state health officials talked about last week, but Mobile is already vaccinating people in that group. Why is that?
Well, it's interesting because Mobile and Jefferson County here in Alabama, they both have their own health clinics, their own health departments. The state health department then takes care of the 65 other counties in the state. So it is all based on vaccination and the supply of that. And so the supply that goes to the state is then divided among those 65, and they have to watch that the dosage and the amount of vaccine that they have, so they make sure that they have enough for everybody's first dose and second dose.
That's right. You have to get both. Now, looking at that video we were just seeing a moment ago, it does look a little bit confusing if you've never been to OWA before. So how will people know where to go? Will someone be directing traffic?
Yeah, well, so as I said, you'll start here at the event center. That's where they'll decide if you do meet those 3 criteria: healthcare worker, first responder, 75 and older. And then there are barricades and there's signs and all that on property to help direct you, and people will be here as well. There's also a map that OWA put out earlier, and it's very informative. If you have an opportunity, you need to take a look at that before you get here. It's posted on our website and on our Facebook page, on the health department's website, as well as OWA's website. It gives you the directions and the route of how you get to where you need to go if you're going for the vaccines, or if you're just coming to OWA to take care of that hunger that you may have at one of the restaurants here, or just to walk around the park.
Gotcha. Yeah,
so
I imagine it's going to be busy.
It'll be interesting tomorrow. First come, first serve.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, it is. They're expecting a lot of folks tomorrow.
Thank you, Debbie. Try to go in and get